Are you curious about how cryptocurrency is being used in real-world applications? Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum and the underlying technology of blockchain are no longer just buzzwords in the financial industry. They are making strides in various sectors and industries. Here are 7 industries that have adopted the use of digital currencies. Number 1. Gaming. The gaming industry has been quick to adopt cryptocurrency. Many online gaming platforms and marketplaces are now using cryptocurrency as a means of payment for in-game purchases. This allows for faster and more secure transactions, as well as lower transaction fees compared to traditional payment methods. Number 2. Charity and nonprofits. Blockchain technology can be used to increase transparency and accountability in charitable donations, making it easier for donors to track where their money is going and to ensure that it's being used for its intended purpose. Number 3. Real estate. The real estate industry is starting to explore the use of blockchain technology to streamline property transactions and increase transparency in the buying and selling process. This can help to reduce fraud and increase trust in the industry. Number 4. Healthcare. The healthcare industry is also starting to experiment with blockchain technology to improve security and privacy of patient data and to streamline the sharing of medical records between different healthcare providers. Number 5. Supply chain. In the supply chain management industry, blockchain technology can be used to increase transparency and traceability of goods as they move through the supply chain. This can help to reduce fraud and increase efficiency in the industry. Number 6. Art and music. The art and music industry is starting to adopt blockchain technology for the creation, distribution, and selling of digital art and music. This can allow artists to have more control over the work and receive a fair share of profits from their creations. Number 7. Travel. The travel industry is also starting to experiment with cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, with some companies accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment for hotel bookings, flights, and other travel-related expenses. These are just a few examples of how cryptocurrency is being adopted in various industries. It's worth noting that while these industries are experimenting with blockchain and crypto, it's still early and not all companies in these sectors are fully adopting them yet. Some of the use cases are still in the pilot phase, but as the technology matures and more companies start to see the benefits, it's likely that we'll see more widespread adoption in the future. The possibilities are endless, and over time, we'll see even more widespread adoption. Want to know more? Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.